Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please help me a lot by sharing these videos out. Y'all, if you missed my late night with Walter Weyburn show last night at 10 p.m., please go back and watch it. That is a show that I'm trying to build. Right now it's not getting a lot of views. It's getting decent views. But if y'all would, please go back and watch that if you didn't see it. And please let me know what you think about it and ask your questions over there. Y'all, today could be a very good day in the world of stimulus. We're going to talk about it here. Y'all, Nancy Pelosi still thinks we can get a stimulus package passed by Election Day. She said, if we reach an agreement by this week, by the end of this week, then they can get the president to put his signature on it by the end of next week. Then we should get a stimulus package passed by Election Day. Y'all just know, if we get it passed by Election Day, nothing will be implemented until after election. But it's still better than what it could be. If they get it passed by Election Day, then the middle of November is when we should start seeing stimulus checks. But y'all, please don't hold your breath. Nothing is set in stone yet. And we've all heard this song and dance before. In the comments, let me know, do you think we will get a stimulus package and a stimulus check? Well, a stimulus package by Election Day and a stimulus check by the middle of November. Let me know what you think. Do you think we'll get that? The Mooch Man, his standalone bill for PPP and his $500 billion skinny bill got blocked before they even had a chance, just like we all knew it would. He tried this before and they was dead in the water then as well. Give it up, Mooch. Piecemeal packages will not fly. Get it through your noggin. Y'all, just don't even pay attention into anything that the Mooch Man says. He has lost all power in this fight. He is not even a player. He's not a contender in this anymore. So just let him babble on. He see now. He don't know what he's talking about anyway. On MSNBC, Nancy Pelosi stated that we need money spent to crush the virus. And we finally have it. We finally arrived at that after all these months. Y'all, she was all smiles when she was saying this. And this is very big. She was beaming with excitement when she was talking about it. She's getting her way. Nancy also said that Mooch McConnell, well, she didn't say Mooch McConnell, y'all know that. She said Mitch McConnell, don't want a stimulus deal until after the elections. But she wants it now. She said she is very optimistic to get it done before elections. You know, I am too. I think we will get it done before the election. She also said she wants people to know that help is on the way. It will be bigger, it will be better, and it will be safer. And it will also be retroactive. I agree with her with what she's saying here until she gets to the retroactive part. I don't see retroactive at all. I'm sorry, but We're having a hard enough time getting the stimulus package going forward. I don't think they're going to pay us in arrears for everything. I just don't see that happening. It would be nice. Mark Meadows said at the time of his news briefing that he just went to Capitol Hill and met with the senators about an hour ago. This is at the time of his news briefing yesterday. Y'all, if he did this at such a late time in the afternoon, this means he is playing the middleman, running back and forth between the Republicans and the Democrats, acting like he's the one doing all the work, trying to get it done. At the same time, he was bashing on Nancy Pelosi, and I can't blame him. I like bashing on her too. But in all fairness, she is trying now. It appears anyway. At the time when I got this information, it looks like we are closer than we've ever been of getting a stimulus package deal. We can only hope. I have never seen Nancy so happy and bubbly. Or maybe she could have been into the bubbles. I don't know. Maybe she's been drinking a little bit. Who knows? Now let's talk about stimulus checks a little bit. The Mooch man was wanting his skinny bill without a stimulus check. But it got blocked big time. Like we all knew it would. He don't care if the American people gets a stimulus check because him and his wife's family got PPP money. They're sitting pretty. Now with this bigger stimulus package, we all will be getting a stimulus check. Y'all, it's not set in stone yet. Don't hold your breath. And please don't say Walter said we're getting a stimulus check. Walter is not saying that. Walter is saying when it gets passed, we should get a stimulus check. Everyone is agreeing on this stimulus check, so it is basically a done deal. That part is done. But still, don't hold your breath. Y'all, we know the stimulus check is $1,200 for adults, $500 for dependents, and maybe even $1,000 for dependents. We'll just have to wait and see. Also, if you owed back child support, last time you couldn't get it, this time you will get it. If creditors garnished your stimulus check last time, they will not be able to do it this time. People on SSI, SSDI, and Social Security and railroad benefits will get this check. Basically, if you got it the first time, you will get it this time, plus a whole lot more other people will get it also. But now we know President Trump has said that he wants even bigger stimulus checks, and they're still negotiating on this. It's getting close, but it's not done yet. President Trump could actually make these checks go up bigger. We'll just have to wait and see. We can hope, we can pray, but we don't know until his name is on the dotted line. Y'all, again, please do not read more into this than it really is. Don't say Walter said we're getting the stimulus check. Walter did not say that. Walter does not have the power to say that. But it does look very promising that it will happen, and it should. I'm thinking maybe today it will happen. Who knows? By the time you see this video, it could have already happened. But I feel very optimistic that it will happen either today or tomorrow. And we will be getting a stimulus check. And if it happens now, around the first part or the middle of November is when we should be seeing the stimulus checks come out. We'll just have to wait and see. We don't know, but it looks very good. Y'all, again, if you did not see my Late Night with Walter Weyburn show last night at 10 p.m., please check it out. It's every night at 10 p.m. and it's more laid back than this what we're doing here. We talk about everything over there. We do talk about stemless stuff, but we talk about everything else also. And it's more laid back, and it's a longer form video. It's here, since I've been doing it, it's been like 30 minutes. I want to strive for an hour show every night, and in time it will get there. Be sure and bring your beverage because you will need it. I either have coffee or water. You bring what you want. Please check out my links below. I've got my cookbook now on my website, and it's linked down here below. Also my stun guns. I still got plenty of stun guns, pepper sprays, and tactical knives. Get them now while you can, because the 1st of December I will quit selling them until the 1st of January. This is so I can get all the holiday orders out, because they are selling very good, and I want to make sure I get them all out in time for the holidays. Y'all keep your faith in God. We will get through all of this. I know we will. God still works miracles every day. I know for a fact He works miracles. I am a living miracle. My wife is a living miracle. Without Him, neither one of us would be here. I love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Watch the video that's popping up here now. Give me your thumbs up and your comments. I love you all. Ciao.